Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we have two details scheduled. A full detail on a work truck. It's basically a maintenance client that reaches out every 2 to 3 months. So it's like a quarterly maintenance, you could say. He likes to receive a full detail on this work truck, and it usually comes out looking great. Obviously, like I said, it's a work truck, so it's not perfect, but for a work truck, it looks good again when I finish with it. And then after that, we have a maintenance client as well who just got a new car. It is the brand new Rivian SUV. I believe they only have SUVs. I'm not sure. Yeah, I've only seen SUVs. So yeah, that's a maintenance client. We're actually just now arriving to the first location. So yeah, I picked the camera up a bit late. I had a bit late of a start today as well. So that's never fun. But anyways, I will be picking you guys back up in a second and showing you what we're working with today. That's a wrap on the first detail. I guess we could consider that like a quarterly maintenance full detail. I could even start offering those probably. Anyways, we are now headed to the next location for the second and final detail of the day. We may have a third detail. I'm in communication with a different client right now, seeing if our schedules will align. We are pulling in actually to our next location, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the before on this car. As I said before, it's a new Rivian, so maintenance client as well. Anyways, I will see you guys in a second. That is a wrap on this detail. The Rivian comes out looking brand new as it is. That detail took a little longer than usual. It took like 2 hours for a maintenance detail. That's a pretty long time. Usually they take right around an hour and a half, but it's not a big deal. It's currently 4:22. We're gonna head home now. I think the third detail fell through because we're pretty far away from each other. So with that being said, we're gonna head home now. I am super hungry. I feel like I haven't eaten all day. I really haven't. All I had was like a biscuit this morning. But yeah, so I'm super hungry. Can't wait to get home and make some pasta. I'm making like a Cajun shrimp Alfredo type of pasta. So I'm excited for that. Once I start getting more comfortable with the camera, I'll start recording myself cooking and the meals that I make, because they usually come out looking pretty good. I'm just not super confident in camera or cooking it to do both. So we're gonna get there eventually. Still waiting at this light. I think I'll be able to turn now. Or it's not even a light, it's just a left turn. So yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I actually have about 4 or 5 cars to do. So that's probably gonna be the title of this video, and I'll just conjoin them. Is that a word? Conjoin them? I'll just put them together 2 days in one, and gonna be able to call it early today. Probably won't go to the gym because I am pretty sore. I've been on a good consistency of like one on, one off for the gym. With all this work I've had, I don't see myself going there every day. Came back on here to quickly update you guys. I've been in contact with the client for tomorrow, and I got an update that there's actually 8 cars we're doing tomorrow. So you guys have already seen that by the title and thumbnail, I'm sure. I just wanted to come on here and say that because I know previously I thought it was only 4 or 5. So anyways, this is probably going to be a longer video. We've got the 2 details from today and then the 8 details tomorrow. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Today is a new day. Today is the day of 8 cars. A client texted me a list with 8 cars in it. Left little notes next to them of what they needed, and we're headed there now. I'm excited, but I'm also I don't know the right word, but regardless, I'm up for the task. As I said in previous videos and possibly this video, this December has been booked and busy, which I'm not exactly used to. Like last year December wasn't terrible, but I'm sure it wasn't close to this where I'm booked a week in advance and whatnot. So thankful nonetheless. But yeah, this would definitely be a first for me where I have 8 cars in one day, and it's December. It's currently 34 degrees, my car says. So my plan is, I'm going to tell you guys my little secret plan. My plan is to start with the interiors because the past 2 days, my pressure washer has actually been frozen. Like the water in my tank hasn't, but my pressure washer doesn't work right away. So I let the sun come out, beam on it a little bit, and eventually it works. It actually fixes itself during the same detail that I'm on. It only takes about an hour. Today is more of a cloudy day, so the sun won't be beaming, but it does get up to like 50 degrees. I think I checked on the weather channel, so we should be good after like an hour or two of being out there. We're gonna be getting there right around 8:45, 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna start as soon as I get there because I want to be finished before sunset, or at least shortly after. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get there. I do have a partner from 9 a.m. till about 1 p.m. I believe. So that's a good 4 hours. I'm not gonna lie. He's gonna help out a lot. He's a friend from high school. We played soccer together. We've worked together in the past for like a month straight. He helped me out when I had a busy month. So 4 hours of having a partner should help out tremendously. And I'm gonna let him know that, and we're gonna knock it out. Anyways, I will see you guys when we get there. All right, you guys, we just made it to the first location and on the location. Currently we have 5 cars out of the 8 that I thought, but I just spoke with the owner, and he said that 2 or 3 may not show up after all, so that's not a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 5 really quickly, and then we'll get started. Quickly showed 5 cars. We're gonna be starting with this Dodge Challenger. It's a 392 TA. I don't know too much, but I do know it's fast. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the before. This is the priority car, the dirtiest. We're gonna prioritize this car and get started on it first. Quick intermission. We have just about 4 cars complete and 3 more have arrived, so we are going to be doing a total of 7 today. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick glimpse of the next 3. That's the main one that he prioritized, like I said before, and it's basically ready. Just needs tire shine and door jams wiped out. Anyways, these are the next 3 that we're going to start working on, and all 3 of them need full interior and exterior details. So as you can already tell, I'm not doing a full show through of all the befores, but I will show you guys the afters when everything is complete. Almost 8 hours later, we are complete with 7 cars. We have 6 of them here. The client had to drive away with one of them, but I'm going to quickly show you guys the exteriors of all of them because showing the interior of all of them would take way too long. Whew. Okay, so really not sure what all I have recorded. I don't think it's much, but I think you guys got the gist of it. I was kind of on a crunch for time. My partner, who I appreciate greatly, he had to leave around 1 p.m. and it is currently 5 p.m. So the past 4 hours was all me, and I still had like 2.5 cars to do. 2 of those cars being those big Tahoes or 3-row SUVs. So yeah, I was kind of hustling and bustling and working quickly. Wasn't able to record as much content as I would have liked, but more importantly, I was trying to get the job done for the clients because they really were supposed to leave at 4 o'clock and then ended up leaving till like 4:40 because they were waiting on me patiently. So I appreciate them for that as well. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys got the gist of it. That was 7 cars and then 2 cars yesterday that were in this video. So that's about 9 cars in 2 days. Yeah, I don't feel it right now. I don't feel too tired right now, but I know my back is going to feel it probably tonight or tomorrow. So I'll probably take like a Epsom salt bath here or something, because it is a lot of labor, I'm not gonna lie, but it'll pay off. And yeah, I still like what I do. So even though it looks crazy, or probably to you guys it doesn't look too crazy on camera, but it's a lot of work. That being said, I'm here at one of my favorite restaurants. I'm gonna grab something to eat quickly, and then I'm gonna go to a friend's house and drop off this content so it can get edited for you guys. I'm gonna be dropping every Monday and Friday, so look out for that. Monday, Friday, 12 p.m. I'm gonna have to say that a few times every video. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like. Once again, like always, leave a comment of anything, how you feel, what you want to see, what you like, what you dislike. And yeah, I will be looking at those, reading those, and we will go from there. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.